Going live. There we are. We're live. So I just wanted to do an update on our fork and spoon sets that we did yesterday. Should be able to see those pretty clear. Maybe. Diet fork, diet spoon. Nice and smooth. Everything came out great. So that was the one pattern that we did. Turned out pretty nice with the little flowers. So diet fork and spoon. Again, holes are nice and clean. Everything I wanted to happen in the tumbler happened just the way I wanted it to. So we have more of these now. We'll get these listed up on our website. And so I just wanted to show those completed. It's doing the lives. It's hard to have finished product right whenever before the lives is over. So I figured I'd come on, make it real short, and show you guys the finished product. All right, I hope you guys all have a great day and keep making.